Victorious Kids TV presents Healthy Habits, Sneezing and Coughing Tips.
Hi guys, today we are learning about sneezing and coughing tips. Let's get started. So sneezing and coughing can be an easy way to spread germs, but here are some helpful tips that will prevent the spread of germs whenever you cough or sneeze. Tip number 1, if you cough or sneeze, you need to cover your mouth and your nose with your elbow to prevent sickness, like this. That's an example of covering your mouth or your nose with your elbow whenever you sneeze or cough. Tip number 2, if you do sneeze, you also can use tissue and cover your nose like this. Achoo!
After you sneeze into your tissue, you need to throw away your tissue into the trash can.
And that's all about sneezing and coughing tips. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon in another video. And stay happy and healthy. Bye!